diet. Do you remember when your dad... Oh, mine.
This must be your room, Mads.
Everything's on top of it and the way they're designed.
See, it doesn't look so bad from the outside.
No.
And from the inside, because everything will be flat anyway.
Yeah.
You will not... However, the price of the house that was on sale at the time.
And there's Chris.
Oh.
It's strange. Look at the radiators. I feel like I'm in the crooked house at Southend.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's part of the house. Like a, what do you call it? Inspired somehow. This is what I said. It's very cold. Maybe that's why. It gives you a mental
Like when Luke's he's looking at
That's what you've got. You want that bench. Yeah. They could be that next I'd wear it, but I'm holding.
Oh, put it in the wash and it's not on tie diet. Do you remember when your dad did that to a Chinatown? But luckily it's already tie dyed, so it really
No, it wasn't.
Oh, mine.
This must be your room, Mads.
It's so messy.
And look, the window's open.
Even look, that countertop up there. Everything's on top of it and the way they're designed.
Yeah.
There's actually one that you can go into.
Thank you.
There are 2 floors up. Enjoy.
2 up.
Bye. Thank you. See, it doesn't look so bad from the outside.
No.
From the inside, because everything will be flat anyway.
Yeah.
You will not be like.
Yeah. People live in here.
Yes.
Kitchen.
Wow.
You know, however, the price of the house that was on sale at the time is the same price as my house.
Yeah.
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 You can smoke around by yourself.
That's it. That's it. Chelmsford.
And live here.
Hello.
These are quite large.
Yeah, but like with
Ah!
he's a Star Wars fan and Lord of the Rings.
Yeah, someone must be a fan. This is you.
And there's Chris.
Oh.
How cute.
No, this is Chris.
That's Rudy.
That's Rudy.
That's me. And Solo.
It's so strange. Look at the radiators. I feel like I'm in the crooked house at Southend.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything's slightly different, do not learn with them. Is it comfortable?
No, not like his bed.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's where we just came from.
His bathroom.
Bathroom. It's very small though.
So you'd have all of this then?
Yeah, this is gonna be the model of the house that you're gonna buy if you ever buy them.
It's a demo.
Yeah.
No.
No refunds for cut off fingers.
It's very cubical.
Oh, you wanna sit on it?
No refunds cut off from fingers. Ah, so there's like there's this atrium.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah, it's part of the house. Like a, what do you call it?
Sunroom.
Conservatory?
Oh, yeah, observatory.
Yes.
Yeah, observatory. It would have been nice if these are all glass, but maybe this is also gonna be very energy inefficient.
Yeah.
You can see down as well, downstairs.
Oh yeah.
So you
You can spy on someone.
Типа, как распорядиться этим местом. Поставить сюда, да? Супер, я бы здесь... Какой-то депрессия. Знаешь, я бы сказала так. Нынешняя погода и эти высокие навеяны не агрессию всего этого мира. Ты знаешь, так... Ну, в моей квартире мне хорошо. Ну, это какая-то добавка. И меня спокойно.
It's not for old people then, you know, with the amount of stairs.
Not to be able to live in that.
Has your dad been, has Richard been in here?
No, but he's been here outside.
Do you think he wouldn't, even if you took like, a bit of time getting up there, he wouldn't even entertain it?
He would, because he'd like to see it.
The architecture, this is what I said again before, like when we've gone to countries, it's one of the things that I didn't realise about it.
Well, I'm also shooting.
You can come here on this side.
I want that teapot. Look at that.
Yeah. Very strange chairs in the very strange building.
Yeah, but like around the sort of they indulge it so much because their mind is sort of set for that utilising everything. Yeah, so and that's where the logic seems to come from create spaces like that as such, do we?
This is where you can stay. You wanna?
Oh, okay. Is this the one that you stayed at?
You know, it's actually not expensive. It's one of the cheapest. Because I was looking for something like the one spending the night
Yeah.
and not expensive, and this is one of the cheapest ones.
And it's not too far from everything as well, is it?
Let's
We can come back here.
Hey guys, you can just have a quick view.
Yeah.
This is where during summertime the children always eat here because there's like a water.
Nice.
All these people are full of people. I mean the Dutch people are crazy.
Yeah.
Super cloudy. It's European. Big one.
Yeah, there's a dog right. Definitely the same bag. Also a 60 bag.
In the shop.
In the restaurant. No, in the restaurant.
Yeah, in the restaurant, yeah.
Right, okay, we'll have to walk back via the restaurant.
Shit.
What happened?
We left our Japanese bag in the restaurant.
Holy shit. Yeah.
Hopefully.
Where did you even put them? Did they come over to the table? Did they come over to the table with us? So
Yeah. We put them at the back.
Shit on it.
I told you we always forget stuff.
Yeah, now
At
we
least they
believe.
weren't on passport. Yeah, that's true. Oh, should I buy some slippers?
They're actually slippery.
They are, yeah. Do you remember I bought them for the girls? Like when we first come. They wore them for a little while, didn't they? And then their feet just grew. We were like, oh, they don't fit them no more. Edie still kept forcing her feet into them though, didn't she? She loved them. But I think that's only because they made her feel like elves.
Yeah. every time. Nan, every time she falls over, she put her hands up, she falls on her face
I
every
think she
time.
can't get her hands out quick enough. Because she's so short as well. She hits the ground before she has a chance. Now is where it's like John, the reason it hurts him so much is because he has a long time to fall before he hits the ground. You generate that force, don't you?
Yeah.
A little bit of drizzle in there. Go back maybe.